to play. Naughty monster. We are at another pet shop, and we are going to rescue another 2 dogs. And that's 3 in total. And let me tell you about the second dog. The second dog looks like my Momo. She's female. She's 5 months. She's scruffy, uncared for, and as usual, no chip. So when she has no chip, you know they don't care. So we're gonna get this female schnauzer. We're gonna house it at Likim's place for now. Then we're gonna have to find relocation. Worst comes to worst, KKB. Okay, now there's another one that's extremely sad. We walked further into the pet shop, and there is one poodle, and he is 1 year old. That means he's been in that little tank by 3 feet by 2 feet, most likely for the last 6 to 8 months. And we found him, and you know what? He was chasing himself, and he was going round and round and round and round non-stop. Yes, he's about to like go insane. I read somewhere that when they start chasing their own tail, they start going round and round and round. It's already near insanity. And when we took him out and we put him, on the tray here to take a look, he was kissing and kissing and kissing and hugging and kissing and licking anybody who would go even near him. And then we put him on a little leash so he can run around down, so he doesn't run out onto the street, because this shop is on the street. And he calmed down already, and he stopped spinning. So if we put him back into the 2 by 3 foot tank, you know what's going to happen to him. So I asked Likim is going to be okay, and she's like, let's just take him. So I'm going to take him. I'm going to take 3. It's a poodle. We'll give you more descriptions later. For now, we'll just put him at Likim's place, because she's got a big space. And keep our fingers crossed. And we'll get their vaccinations. We'll get their medication. We'll get them washed up. We'll get them checked by the doctor and make sure they're okay. And then, worst comes to worst for the poodle, I might put him in KKB. Because there's space to run. There's greens, there's friends. I mean, he won't be locked up, you know. So anyway, just to let you know the latest, and it's amazing. It's just totally amazing. Come sit. I can't get it. It doesn't stop moving. Come sit. This one's name, we call him Zamsip. D-Z-A-N-S-E-R. Greenish yellow Zambala. This one we call Tara.